To Komodo Info. Today's topic is problem solving in manufacturing, man, machine, method, and material. The relationship between man, machine, method, and material is known as the 4M approach in manufacturing. It refers to the four key elements that are essential to the efficient and effective production of goods. In the context of automotive manufacturing, the 4M approach might look something like this. Man. The human workers who operate the machinery, oversee the production process, and perform quality control checks. Machine. The machinery and equipment used in the manufacturing process, such as robotic arms, CNC machines, and assembly lines. Method. The procedures and processes used to produce the vehicles, including the specific steps and sequences of tasks that are followed. Material. The raw materials and components used to build the vehicles, such as steel, plastic, and electronics. The 4M approach can be used to solve problems in a manufacturing environment by looking at each of the four elements and determining where the problem may be coming from. Here are a few examples. Man. If there is a problem with the quality of the finished product, the issue may be with the workers who are responsible for producing it. This could include issues with training, skill level, or motivation to follow standardized work. Machine. If a machine is malfunctioning or causing delays in production, the issues may be within the machinery itself. This could include problems with maintenance, calibration, or the need for new equipment. Method. If a process is taking too long or producing too many defects, the problem may be with the method being used. This could include issues with the design of the process, the sequence of tasks, or the tools and equipment being used. Material. If the raw materials or components being used are causing problems, the issue may be with the quality or suitability of the materials. This could include issues with quality of the parts, storage, or handling the materials. By identifying the problem and its root cause, the 4M approach allows you to take targeted and effective action to solve the problem and improve the overall manufacturing process.